Hey guys, just wanted to touch on a quick basis. Again, guys, some of these videos are going to be to help mechanics, young mechanics, older mechanics, new into the industry, just people who want to start doing mechanics for themselves or to make a profit or whatnot. I personally am a trained mechanic. I was in the military as a turbine and diesel mechanic. I came out here, have worked for a few different companies, have ran different shops. So believe me, I have a lot of knowledge of the automotive industry, diesel repair, auto repair. I have a lot of knowledge, guys. I have a lot of experience. Again, guys, whenever you start a diagnosis, guys, first things first, always listen to what the customer is talking about, guys. They are always going to give you the keys to the things that are happening, and usually in the conversation you will find the solution in it as well. So pay attention to what the customer says. Again, like this customer, guys, this customer is talking about when it's cold, it starts right up most of the time, and once he's driven it around for a while, it tends to have a hard start. One thing I noticed last night when I brought this truck in, guys, I noticed that I started it up just to bring it in last night, and I noticed that the batteries were really weak. It struggled to start, whether it be a batteries, a dragging starter, some kind of pulley starting to seize up, whatever the situation may be. The customer already let me know what he was feeling. Based on how I started the vehicle last night, I already started getting different scenarios in my head. That's experience. That's because I've worked on these Ford 6.0s, on all the Fords, on all the trucks. I just worked on so many that the experience has kind of led me to understand these things. So remember, guys, whenever you start a diagnosis, always listen to what the customer is talking about. From here, guys, the very next step, never start the vehicle before you start a diagnosis. Always run the codes first. You want to run the codes because not only do you want to store them, you want to be able to know what the codes are in there, what you're tackling, just in case there's codes that don't have anything to do with the problem. So the customer, when he picks it up, he doesn't see a check engine light and he's unhappy. All right, guys, let me show you how to start the diagnosis.